Gordon here from Blake's Mobility. Today we're highlighting the Bruno AWL-150. It is a vehicle lift crane suitable for lifting and transporting scooters and wheelchairs. Has a capacity of 200 pounds. And this can be mounted in minivans, SUV, full-size vans. The arm folds down by pushing the red button. You can push the arm out of the way. It can also swing by pushing the button here. It manually swings out of the vehicle. Has dimensions of 21 inches by 26 inches by approximately 30 inches from the base to the top of the crane. To operate it, you simply push the button as an up or down, and it will go down completely to the floor and leaves you with about 71 inches from the ground to the top of the crane. So if you're measuring out of your vehicle from the mounted position, from the top of the crane, it's 71 inches all the way to the ground. There's several different adapters you can purchase for your application to lock onto your device and safely position it inside the vehicle. This crane is available. If you have any questions or would like any more information, please contact myself at 513-607-1500. Thank you, and as always, stay active.